Okay, we are at the front hall bath. This is a vent and the tub or shower, or both. And this is a washing machine, drain line, laundry room. All these pipes have adequate fall on them. This joint right here looks like it actually has been leaking just by the, you see that boot's all tore up and really soft right there. All this pipe in here has a lot of fall. You can see the bubble there. It's what we call screaming. More than adequate. You really don't want that much fall on a pipe, but it's better than not having fall. This is the toilet drain in the front hall bath. In this area, this is where I first started seeing a lot of problems on the camera. This has a lot of fall at this point. I believe past this, on this side, past this fitting right here is where I came into a lot of problems. A lot of real heavy buildup inside the line. Turn it around here. This is the, I guess the shower for that front hall bath. It just barely has fall. It's where that bubble is on the line. That's an 1/8 inch per foot, which is just barely 1/8 inch per foot. Adequate for under a house or building. This is about the same, just barely enough fall. Okay, this is better than, that's actually right where you want it. That's an 1/8 inch per foot. It's hard to see the bubble exactly, but just barely breaking the line there. And this section here, it gets pretty flat. Still got a little bit of fall there. Just barely breaking the line. This section right there was really, really flat. That has no fall on it. That is not touching any line. That is flat, which is very problematic. No amount of drain cleaning can fix that. And same here, that is completely flat. Bubbles directly in the middle. This is our worst area, stretch of pipe. I believe that the pipe was, oh, yeah, it's a little rotted. Yeah, it's got pits in the bottom of it. Looked a lot worse with the camera, but you can see these pits right here. The pipe's deteriorating. This is the kitchen sink line. All of it has adequate fall on it. But when it runs into a pipe that is flat, it poses a problem and creates a lot of buildup. We've got good fall here. That's about 1/4 inch per foot. Ouch. Just barely have fall there. Not a whole lot. Again here, very flat. Not really any fall at all. The last section of pipe, I imagine, starts to pick up. You can visibly see it starts to go down. So this last section of pipe actually has a lot of fall. This is again what we call screaming. And the main line where it goes out of the house is in fact screaming as well. So that's good. We have room elevation wise from A, where the line comes out of the house, to B, where the line starts, to correct the fall between the two. So we're off to a good start.